You own a company or manufacture great products. You looked for a specific type of box, but nothing out there fits your requirements. Or maybe it's just too expensive. What to do now? We are Cactus Containers in the United States since 1997. We helped businesses just like yours create world-class packaging. Our RSC boxes, custom boxes, or stock boxes are all made to order in the United States. You can order as little as 1 to thousands. We offer billions of box size combinations for fast delivery. Also, because we care about the environment, we use cartons made with 100% recycled fiber. Our custom boxes and RSC boxes can be made in a variety of sizes and can be custom printed with your company logo. Our dividers and custom foam inserts will create the perfect fit so that you can be sure your product reaches your customers safe and sound. Do you want your boxes to stand out from the crowd? No problem. We also offer specialty packaging that has a unique look that's perfect to enhance your product's image. Aside from boxes, we also offer foam inserts and dividers, displays, and shipping supplies like packaging labels, shipping bags, tape dispensers, etc. Whatever you need, we have it. So the next time you have an event and you need a unique packaging, or you may have a product that no box can fit, or you just need stock boxes with a quick turnaround time, then contact us. We ship nationwide. CactusContainers.com